Refrigerators. For tips for maintaining your refrigerator. Clean the inside. Cleaning the shelves, doors, and walls of the refrigerator every month prevents germs and bacteria from reaching the food. If something spills in the refrigerator, clean it up immediately. Cleaning the refrigerator also helps, so you don't keep anything that has expired or gone moldy. Check the door seal. Make sure the door seal is strong and free of food debris. Try cleaning the seal twice a year with a small toothbrush and a mixture of baking soda and water. If cold air escapes, energy is wasted and the refrigerator has to work harder than it should. To make sure your seal is good, try the dollar bill test. Stick a dollar bill in the door so that it's half in and half out. If it slips out easily, have the seal checked by a professional. Check the temperature. Make sure your refrigerator temperature is between 37 and 38 degrees Fahrenheit and the freezer is at 0 degrees. Checking the temperature inside helps the refrigerator work better. Keep the coils clean. The condenser coils are used to get rid of the heat from inside to the outside air. If these coils are covered with dust, the refrigerator cannot run efficiently. It is important to clean the coils twice a year by pulling the machine away from the wall, unplugging the refrigerator, and vacuuming with a brush attachment. Repair. Filling the refrigerator gas. Modern refrigerators usually use a refrigerant called HFC 134A1112 tetrafluoroethane, which does not deplete the ozone layer, unlike Freon. A refrigerator doesn't run out of refrigerant like a car runs out of fuel, it's a sealed system. If you have no refrigerant in your system, there's a leak somewhere.